Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for customer success. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of customer churn. People are looking for better solutions when they can't find the right answer in a timely manner. With a streamlined scheduling tool, your team can focus on the important tasks at hand and help your customers. Appointlet makes it simple to assist your customers with fast online scheduling. Increase customer satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Qualify customers that really need your help with custom forms. Reduce no-shows with automated reminders and confirmations. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.